Hey guys, this is Cooking and Craft's very first video with the voiceover. Hope you enjoy this one. It is a macaroon brownie cupcake recipe from Ghirardelli, and you'll probably be seeing more of these voiceover videos soon. So to start off with, you're going to need a pack of brownie mix. I'm using Ghirardelli, a third cup of water, a third cup of vegetable oil, 1 egg for the brownie, and then for the macaroon topping, you're going to need 1 1/3 cup of flaked coconut, a third cup of sugar, a third cup of chocolate chips, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, an 8 teaspoons of salt, a 4 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 egg whites, and a cupcake pan filled with liners, and this will be in the description box below. So to start off with, you need a big bowl and go ahead and add the brownie mix, and then you're going to add the butter. I'm actually using butter instead of vegetable oil, then water, and an egg, and then go ahead and give that a mix until it's nice, creamy, and well incorporated. Now it's time to take that out and just keep that aside. And we'll start on the macaroon topping. So for this, you're just going to need to add everything: the coconut, the flour, the salt, sugar, eggs, egg whites only, chocolate chips. I'm using big ones, but you can use mini ones, and vanilla extract. And then just give this a quick mix with a spoon or a spatula and keep that aside for now. Now it's time to put everything together. So start with putting the brownie batter inside all of the cupcake liners, about 2/3 of the way full. And oops, I spilled, sorry about that. And then use the macaroon topping to just place it on top, kind of evenly on top. Last one. And you're done. Now just go ahead and pop them in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes at 325 degrees. Now take them out of the oven. They should be nice, golden crusty on the top. And you're done. It's delicious, it's easy, and I really hope you have fun making them. Thank you for watching this first voiceover video, and please like and subscribe.